Happy Saturday, everybody. Happy Saturday. My prayers going out to everybody that's affected by Hurricane Delta. We did get rain. Some places flooded, but we were blessed. Our lights blinked off and back on. And that was it. My internet went out for a minute today, but other than that, we've been fine. So thank God for that. So what I'm doing here today is some wings. And I'm trying a new recipe. My daughter told me, she lives in Houston. She had gone to this place and it's called Gold Fever. Gold Fever. I am going to actually bake these instead of putting them in the air fryer, and I'm not going to fry them. I just don't want them in any grease. Only thing I'm going to put on the seasoning for them right now is this rotisserie chicken seasoning mix. It's by McCormick. And a new seasoning that I have been using is no salt. It's by Kingsford, and I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I like it. It's an all-purpose seasoning by Kingsford, but it's no salt. Very flavorful. Okay, is that better? So, only thing I put on there so far is the all-purpose seasoning, and this is by Kingsford. I'm gonna wash my hands again. I want to mix that around in there. Excuse me, y'all. And I want to put a little McCormick rotisserie. Not a lot. This does have sodium content. It has 110 milligrams. But that's all. I saw I was watching a video, I think it was Tiana, and she had put some, and I remember seeing, and I've done this before with my chicken. She put some cornstarch in her wings and she fried them though. So I'm going to add some to this, although I'm baking them, just so I can have another nice little crunch to them. I was like, you know what? Yeah, you know what? I've done it to fried chicken, but I've never put it on my bake. I'm going to go ahead and try it this time. And it's not my original idea. I don't want to get on here and tell you, look, do this because I didn't know. I'm not like that. If I do something for the first time because I've seen somebody else do it, I'm going to give that person credit. All right. So, I'm going to lay these out and bake them on 400 for about 30 minutes, and I'm going to flip them over. I got my sheet here. So what I'm going to, I like to elevate my meat. I don't want it, for this, I don't like it to sit down up in the thing. So I put it on a rack. I probably should have sprayed this rack first. Hold on, let's spray it first. It just makes it easier for cleanup. But I'm telling y'all, the best way when you get ready to clean up is go ahead and place your stuff in some water. Just olive oil. And I do like to spray olive oil on them too. But y'all, I had to call a guy this morning because the central air unit wouldn't come on. I was like, oh my goodness. So I got that taken care of. We got to realize in life the sun ain't gonna shine every day. We gonna all go through things. None of us are exempt. Put your faith in God and He'll get you through anything you go through. And I know I don't want to crowd these like this, but they're gonna be crowded. But they elevate a little bit, so they spray them. Just like you do the air fryer. We're going to put these in the oven. I'm going to put it on 400. Probably in 30 minutes I can flip them. Maybe sooner than that. Alright, y'all. I'll be back. Alright, y'all. So for the Goldfinger sauce, what they use is they use honey mustard, which I have Dijon mustard. I'm gonna make my honey mustard with that, honey, a little mayo. And then I'm going to add, I have the Franks. I like this one. And I also like the Sweet Baby Ray. I'm going to mix this all together. Okay. So I'm going to do my honey mustard first. honey mustard, the ones that I've used, they're kind of bitter. This one is bitter too, but I use I make my own, like for the honey mustard chicken that I cook. Let me get my big arm out the way. So we're gonna use about 2 tablespoons of the honey mustard. The same amount of mayo. Maybe a little more. The Dijon mustard is a little, and 2 tablespoons of that. Yeah, see? Let's see if we can taste it. Yeah. Tastes like honey mustard. All right, so then they say you add, well, I'm gonna link the recipe. I'm just improvising, making my own. And then the kick is you add this to it. So you got the sweet and the heat. See it look like gold? See if I like it. I think I need to add some more of the wing sauce to it. Doesn't it look gold, y'all? So that's Gold Fever wing sauce. Take it and I'm gonna taste it again. That is good. But I'm gonna add a little bit more sauce to it for the heat. Now I'm gonna take this, put it in this pan. Got a little here. I'm gonna cook. All right, y'all. Here's my Gold Fever sauce. Look at it. My wings are just about done. I'm gonna put them in this bowl right here, and then we're gonna just toss it up and put that cheese in, because it's kind of late. I wanted to do a salad. I already got my. Maybe I'll do a salad tomorrow. All right, y'all. I'll be back. All right, so we are going to take our wings. I see I catch all that grease in the bottom of the pan, but we're going to take these and add our sauce to them. All right, here they are, the Gold Fever wings. Let me just get one and taste it. They're good, y'all. All right. Be blessed. Bye.
Nice.